Dancing raisins. Can you tell us the ingredients that you have today for dancing raisins?
No assistants are here today because I don't want to get wet.
Oh yeah, because one of the ingredients is a liquid. Can you tell us what kind of liquid that is?
Carbonated water.
Yeah, how did we make the carbonated water?
With water and carbonate.
Wow, you're right, Edge. And then what else do we have for this
We
experiment?
have a jar and what this is called
A cup
a cup.
or a beaker.
This is called a beaker, but I'm going to call it today a cup.
Okay, and then what do we have in that little bowl?
Raisins.
Okay, you can eat one. Go ahead.
This is a bowl.
Okay, all right. So I'm going to go ahead and pour some carbonated water.
I'll do it.
No, I'll do it. I'll do it.
I do it.
It's heavy. It's heavy, Scientist
Let's
Edge.
do it.
I don't want you to make a mess.
Okay.
Okay. And see all the little bubbles? Wow. Okay. All right, so we're going to let that fizz. I'll let you drink some later, okay? I'll let you drink some later. Or you could drink some now. Okay.
So sour. So
It is.
sour, guys.
It is. All right, let's move the camera just a little bit. And now go ahead and put the raisins into the carbonated water. All of them, yeah. While you eat one. Whoa! And do you know why the raisins are dancing and floating up and down?
Right back, okay?
Sure. While we wait for Edge, everybody gets to stare at Teep. Everybody gets to stare at Teep. Okay, so Edgy, do you want to know why the raisins are like bouncing up and down? So the raisins are dense, but what happens is that when they go into the carbonated water, they attract the carbonated water particles to them, which causes them to float up and down.
You like to see Mama?
I don't think Mama wants to be in the video.
Please.
No, she doesn't want to be in the video. But yeah, it's because of the carbonation sticking. What are you doing? Where's Edgy going? Let's look at Teep again. What are you doing, Edgy? And Edgy drinks some more carbonated water while he's doing an experiment, of course. But anyways, Edgy, what did we learn today?
We know that we put carbonated water in a cup, and we put raisins in it, and it'll go up and down.
Yeah, that's right. All right, Edge, is there anything you want to say to your audience before we end the video?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
Thank you for watching my video.
Yay. All right, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Scientist Edge, your audience needs you to hear you say bye.